Hello and welcome to your Designs Masterclass. Okay, I'm so excited for this video because we are going to talk about a very specific skill that can make you a lot of money. Okay, let's get right into it. So this Designs Masterclass is, I think, a very important part of being a freelancer. Whether you are going to do this for your business or for other people's business, which is you're going to get hired for this gig, for this project, it is crucial to know some basic skills about designs. And I'm going to show you later on at the end of this video. You will be able to know the different sites and apps that you can use and some examples, some real life examples of freelancers who are killing it in this industry, in this particular niche. So I'd like to bring this designs masterclass to your attention if you are a totally beginner to this, or if you have been, yeah, I've heard about that, I've heard about Canva and all that stuff, and I'd like to for you to see the opportunity here. Okay, so I'm, like I said a while ago, I'm gonna show you different um, freelancers, and as in talagang people who are working just by using the designs that you can see here in our class. And it's up to you whether you would like to, get this as additional projects or clients for you, but also for your own business. Syempre, di ba, we are there and putting out our brand, our names on our websites. And it's important to also have, I believe, your own idea for designs and graphics. So you don't need to hire another person, especially if you are just starting out. And I do have, like, in my own businesses when I was starting and up until now, I like to edit some videos for myself, like ako lang. I like to edit some images so that I can, number one, I can save money. And number two, I like it to do it myself as well. So yeah, without further ado, I'll just show you this world of Designs Masterclass. And then later on, I'm going to have like a Masterclass advanced class for you so you can really see deep dive kung ano to. But for now, let's go ahead and begin. Number one, I want to point out to you why designs. Okay, um, why do we need to study this? Why do you need to know this? With the rise of social media, especially that visual images are very important right now, right? Facebook, especially Instagram. Instagram is all about pictures. It's all about graphics. So there goes a saying that a picture paints a thousand words, right? That's actually wrong. By 2022, that is incorrect anymore because the photographs, the videos, the GIFs, the graphs, and other forms of social media, that's worth millions of pesos. And I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna prove it to you later on. Okay, so let's just go ahead and just give the importance why you should know whatever niche you are in freelancing, you should at least know some basic of designs. Visual designs are the ones that capture our attention, right? Especially if you are scrolling through the social media, what are the things that make you stop and read that specific advertisement or that specific post? Is that the headline? Possibly. Yes, but majority of us napapa-stop tayo kapag maganda yung image, right? O kaya yung video. Like, it's an eye stopper. Like, oh, ang ganda nung image na yun. So you're curious to know what that is, or that kind of parang interruptive ad ang tawag doon. So what makes you stop and look further for the post? Yeah, it's usually the image or the video. Do you agree? Okay. And I'd like you to know that 39% ang increase ng isang interaction or ng isang engagement sa isang post kapag meron siyang picture. Okay? So not only do photo posts get more engagement than links, or videos or text-based updates. Pag puro text lang, sure, it's very, depende pag magaling yung copywriter, no? Magaling yung ad. Pero it adds more to the table. It gets more engagement and likes and comments and attention when that specific post has a photo on it. So according to research, 93%, they actually account 93% of the most engaging posts on Facebook, those with photos. That's why it's extremely important. Okay. And photos get more 53% likes and 104% more comments. Ganun kalaki yung increase niya when we put some images and video post on it. All right. And you know that the humans process visual 60,000 times faster than text. So I cannot emphasize more that in this fast-paced world, you are competing with millions of others in the attention of your target audience. So you have to capture their attention. And how do you get it? By creating engaging posts. And how do you create engaging posts? You have to put visual, okay? So that people will not just read, because sometimes people are so tamad in reading, right? But when they see a picture in a glance, in like 2 seconds, you get the idea, you deliver the message. Tweets with images receive also 150% more retweets than the tweets without the images. So, with that said, every company in the world needs visual images, also known as the social media designs, and 100% non-negotiable. Okay, like I mentioned in the beginning, whether you are a startup freelancer, whether you are an agency, or whatever you are right now in your business, beginner, intermediate, or advanced, you must have social media presence or icons or images in your posts. Okay, all right. So these are some of the social media posts, and people are doing this on Fiverr, on other marketplaces, and they get hired by just creating social media posts like this. So later on, we will talk about that. So these are like brochures, company brochures, marketing materials for companies, and people are looking for designers, and designers get paid really well for doing this. And we will talk about that. Paano gawin yung mga ganyang bagay, all right? So, if you are interested to follow along with this class, these are some of the websites that I use, and the other designers as well. So go ahead and take a screenshot of this page, and you can see um, these are like free websites like the Fiverr, Payoneer, lahat ng dadaanan natin yan mamaya. So go ahead and screenshot all these, and we are going to talk about designs right now. So number one, I am going to introduce to you this tool that I am specifically using right now. Sorry, to share with you how powerful this tool, and this is very much handy when you are a freelancer. Okay, so dito ako nagpe-present ngayon using Canva. Introducing Canva. Ayan, so all right, let's go ahead and talk about Canva. And later on the following video that I will be creating, you will get to know Canva more. If this is your first time seeing Canva, I think this is a very good video for you, so you can get to know like Canva in a deeper level. Every freelancer, I think, knows Canva, and we cannot live without this tool. It's a billion-dollar, or yeah, billion-dollar company right now, and it's so amazing. So let's go ahead and get to know Canva. Let me just okay. I'm gonna put Canva in a separate one, kasi this one I am using my presentation, like my PowerPoint is here. And then let's go ahead and do this. Okay, so there is Canva free, yung free tool lang. And then there is Canva Pro. I am using Canva Pro right now. And I just want to show you ano yung laman nung Canva. So this is where we go to for graphic designs. And if you can see, I am a heavy user of Canva. Lahat halos ng mga yeah, like this. The presentations that I did with you before, mga presentations sa community natin, everything for my branding, for the other businesses that I do have, everything is actually done in Canva. So I'm just gonna show you. This is the dashboard of Canva. And then if you notice, if you go to the right side of the screen, you will see this create design. You will see here a lot of things that you can use in Canva. So later on, we will go deep dive in each and every part of it so that you would have more idea, especially if you are zero um, knowledge with Canva. Okay, so here you can use Canva in creating a Facebook post, in PowerPoint presentation like the one I'm using right now. You can use Instagram posts, Facebook cover, you can do logo design, poster, flyer. Ayan, ang dami. You can also use in YouTube thumbnail and YouTube cover, Instagram story, ayan, resume, postcard. So I highly suggest that you go to canva.com if you haven't. Ayan, and you can also create certificates, Zoom virtual background, desktop wallpapers, so much more. You can also custom the size. Let's say, for example, your client needs a very specific design template with this kind of pixel. You can just put, ayan, for example, 1000 by 1000 and then create a new design. There you go. You can see that. On the left side of your screen, you can see all the templates that they have, right? So you don't need to create something from scratch. You can basically get all these templates. I use templates all the time, and then you just have to edit it and customize according to what you need. So these are all templates. Um, let's go ahead. You can also resize it again if you want. Resize it to, let's say, for example, from 1000 by 1000, you wanted to make it as an Instagram post or Facebook post. You can copy and resize, and it will be changed accordingly. Ayan, okay? So yeah, this was an Instagram post. So you can see a lot of templates here that you can use for your business. Isn't that cool? I love this tool. A lot of freelancers really is this is a go-to tool natin, especially for those people who are not um, familiar with Photoshop. I don't know Photoshop, so this is my go-to tool. Later on, let's talk about this in more detail. So this is how you do it. And then also, I would like to show you something else. In Canva, oops, there are also, ayan, so, di ba kanina, when you create designs, there are suggestions on the right side of your screen. You can actually upload an email, a photo as well. You can upload, you can import a file like that. And then here, if you go to at the time of this recording, ganito yung itsura niya, na this may change. Of course, there are updates, but at the time of this recording, this is how it looks like. So there are social media posts here. You can do invitations. You can do resume. So when your client asks you, "Hey, can you make me a postcard for my business?" Or can you make me a brochure? Do you know how to create a brochure or a poster? Yeah, sure, I can, and I'll be more than happy to help you with that. And you go to Canva and then you edit some stuff, right? Okay, you can have menu. Yeah, if you have like clients with a restaurant or something like that. So these are the features. Look at that. So I want you to play around with this tool. They also have courses that you can, um, when you have time, you can learn about this. They have tutorials. They have blog. Ayan. All right. So look at this one now. Graphic design basics, branding your business, See, social media mastery. So these are all free within Canva. Now there is a free tool. Ayan, no? So they have a free and they have also pro. Tingnan natin kung magkano yung pro at the moment. Sorry. Look, if you would like what I'm doing right now, I am teamed up with a team. We are a group of 5. So what you can do is team up with another person, so like find 4 more other people, and then you can only pay, look how much cheap Canva is, 207 pesos a month lang. And what you can have for 207 pesos a month, imagine that's even less than Jollibee meal, di ba? Pag group meal kayo. Ang makukuha mo dito is everything that Canva offers. Kasi kapag free tool ka lang, medyo may mga limitation. Let's say for example, let's create a design, a Facebook post. I'm gonna show you something. So if you are going to create a Facebook post, let's say for yourself, okay, sample lang. Ayan, nakita niyo may mga pro na nakalagay. If this image is pro, ibig sabihin, the only people who can get this kind of template are those people who are subscribed to pro. You can't get this if you are on a free Canva. Pero syempre, if you're just starting, go ahead and create a free Canva account. There are also nice templates naman if you are on free. However, the reason why I'm asking you or recommending you for you to get pro, kasi if this is gonna be your business, you take it seriously. Parang kasama siya sa overhead mo or part of your business expense. Ayan, so there are a lot of this. So may mga free naman, and then there are siguro pag if you hover here, let's say for example this one. Ayan. So, yung mga walang pro, napansin mo, if I hover here, like, minove ko yung mouse ko dito, you will see pro. If I move here dun sa Lunar New Year sale, wala siyang nakalagay na pro. Ibig sabihin, free accounts can get this image. But look at this one. If you want, let's say for example, you chose a design, tapos pro siya, and you really like it, you really like to use it, you have to purchase the pro account. I think it's a very worthy investment and it's a nice trade-off. Ayan, look at this one. It says free. So you can get this for free. This is a nice trade-off for 200 pesos a month lang. Definitely no-brainer. So you go ahead and get this, okay? So you go ahead and play around Canva and see for yourself what are the things that you can do around this. I'm going to show you something which is called an ebook cover. So you can definitely also create an ebook cover out of Canva. Ayan, ito yung isa sa mga pag-uusapan natin ngayon, how to create an ebook cover using Canva. And later on, we are going to have a separate session, how to use Canva talaga. Like there's an advanced, please tune in also to the advanced masterclass for designs. Now, this one is an ebook, ebook cover. So a lot of clients, specifically in Fiverr, are looking for ebook because you know what, in Amazon kasi there's what we call Kindle. Let me just go ahead and share that with you. Amazon. Sorry. You look, it's 4 a.m. in the morning. It's 4 a.m. and I am recording this. I am so passionate about what I do. I love you guys, and I sincerely apologize also because I am a little sick right now, so I do cough from time to time. Please forgive me. I just really want to finish this. Parang I don't want to move on with another day without me doing this. Okay, so sa Amazon, I have my Amazon account. I have my Prime. I just canceled it pala today. So you will see here there's a Kindle or Amazon. Parang ito yung books na mga binibenta sa Amazon. Oh, Kindle books. Yeah. If you look at this, there are so many ebooks. Look at this one, 70,000 results. And I believe that there are a lot more than that. There are millions of books literally in Amazon. You can actually sell books too in Amazon. I'm actually trying that as well right now. So, dami kong ginagawa. Ayan. So, ito yung mga cover books. And these are all potential clients. These people put out their ebooks and their books in Amazon to be sold. And these people are competing to be number one bestseller in Amazon and all that. And what do you know what they need? They need an ebook cover like this one, the one that you're seeing right now. And ikaw, as a freelancer who's into designs, you can definitely create something like this using Canva. Kagaya niyan. Ayan. Ito yung mga cover. Okay? But, these are templates, but I wanted you to just, don't copy it as it is. Parang make it as an inspiration for you. So, for example, this one. Alright? Here's what we're going to do. We are going to recreate something. And aside from Canva, there are other tools that you can use as well in finding images. So, for example, kuha tayo ng ayan, sabi niya, the eye of the world. Ito, kunin natin ng example. For example, gagawa tayo ng isang ebook cover for the client, Robert Jordan. Ayan, for example. So, he's the author, sold by Macmillan. So, let's say, for example, si Macmillan, sabi niya, hey, I need you to create a book cover for me. Can you do that? Ganyan, I'm gonna be releasing my book in Amazon and I need an ebook cover, something like that. So what you can do is you can definitely do this for within 5 minutes lang. Sobrang dali. I'm gonna show you how. Okay, so that one you can use this, right? Or another option is, remember I told you that there are other tools that you can get free images. Yan. These are what I'm personally using. Unsplash, Pixabay, Pexels, and later on we'll go with the pablo.buffer.com. Okay, I'm sorry. Now, I have made them ready. So I have here Unsplash, I have here Pexels. These are the things, these are my go-to as well. Sa kahit sa mga businesses ko, sa mga brands ko, I go here for for videos and photos as well. These are free and high resolution, and you can also use these anong tawag dito, royalty free sila. Ibig sabihin, you can use these photos however you want. You will not be sued. Okay lang siya na gamitin wherever you want if you download it. Again, these are free. So, let's go ahead and check again. No? Sabi niya, Eye of the World. Tingnan natin kung meron tayong makikitang magandang image for that. Let's say, world. Pwede. I'm just doing this with you, mabilis lang ha. Pakita ko lang sa inyo how it works, but you can definitely create this for a longer period of time. But for the sake of time lang, I'm just gonna browse something. Okay, this one. Let's try this one. So, I'm gonna download it. So, there you go. I downloaded it and then I will upload it in Canva. So you can just drag and drop. So move mo lang yung mouse mo like that. And then you can click. Okay, yeah, you can click on upload media and then you can go to your download part and then you can click open and then it will download just the same. So pareho lang. Now that it's here, what I am going to do is I am going to drag this here. See? It's easy lang, diba? So, pinalitan ko na siya. And then, if you wanted to move around the image, you can just double-click and drag it. Right? And then, it says, Robert Jordan, Wheel of Time. Click nga natin. Okay. The Wheel of Time. The Eye of the World. Okay. Ano nga ulit? Sorry, The Eye of the World. Ganyan ako guys, mabilis kong makalimutan. Like, ano nga ulit yon? The eye of the world. Yan. And then, you can drag it here. Tingnan mo, pansin mo, lumiliit, lumalaki yung font. You can drag it like that. Or, you can highlight and change the font. Ganyan. Okay? And then, it says, a story written by ganyan. So, napapalitan lang. You can definitely change anything here. Eye of the world. Tapos, if you want, you can also move the transparency of this. Parang mas magiging malabo siya, ganyan. Okay, I'm just giving you an idea how it works here in Canva, and you can definitely play with this tool many hours, like practice. Okay, so what you could do is go to Amazon and then try to remake um the ebook covers here. The reason why I chose ebook cover here, I'm gonna show you a very, very cool stuff in Fiverr that I am sure na pag nakita mo yan, you will definitely consider doing Designs Masterclass. Ayan, so there. So, meaning to say, what I'm trying to say is that you can create this, so you can do the ebook cover in Canva like that, and then you can use free stock photos in Pexels and in Unsplash and Pixelbay, ganyan. And then you can use this image, upload it to Canva, and you can create a nice ebook cover for your client. Ayan, so that's how you do it. You can do this even without a Photoshop skill, and you can do it in as little as 5 minutes. Okay, so isn't that amazing? You can play with that. You can play with the color or the font. Mas maganda ba? Ayan. If you don't like this, then you can definitely use another one. Ito parang mas maganda to. Try natin. Yan. So, ganun lang. Mamaya, patuturuan ko kayo kung paano gamitin din yung mga ibang elements. So, napapalitan itong mga nasa gilid. You can create an element. You can search anything in Canva. Actually, let's say world. Dito din sa Canva, makakakita ka ng iba't ibang mga designs. For example, that one, you can choose photos. Ayan o. Meron din dito. Palitan natin. Parang pareho, no? If you drag it here, oh, nice. I'm trying to fit it in. Better? Is it better? Yan. So I hope you get the idea. You just go ahead and play around with this tool. So meron siyang mga templates, meron siyang mga elements. These are all free for you to use. So you can also have texts. These are your uploads. Try natin yung in-upload natin kanina. I like the design. Ayaw niya kasi kanina ang ginawa ko, if I drag it, nag-swak siya automatically. Pero kung ayaw gumana, just click on replace background. You like it? Yan. These are the things that I can randomly do. Angat natin tong konti. Oh, what do you think? It could be a book cover, no? Amazing. Ang ganda. So, it's just a random thing that we chose in Robert Jordan, The Eye of the World. Yan. So, you can definitely create something, the Wheel of Time. Ang saya, no? And then you can also ungroup them. So, napansin mo, di ba, there are two layers here. The Wheel of Time, tapos yung nasa baba. Lalakihan natin, ah. Yan. So, you can make this bigger para mas makita mo yung ginagawa mo. So if you notice, there are two spaces, right? Two lines. What I will do is right click and then I will click on ungroup. Mahihiwalay na siya. If you want to add the text again, let's say for example, oh my god, I think I need to adjust again, you can use this. This is the heading, this is the smaller subheading, and this is the text, the body of the text. And then look, I will be able to change the font as well. So click mo lang to, there are so many fonts here. You can actually upload your own font. These are my favorite and most used fonts, yung mga nasa taas. Sorry. So there are popular fonts. So pili ka lang whatever font you think is best in your, see, nagpalit. Do you see that? Do you see it's changing? Yan. And you just correct. Maganda ba? The wheel of time, no? Dinedit ko pala kanina. I really love this tool. I really enjoy doing this. Ayan. And then you can add another page. Let's say, for example, you wanted to have another revision or another design for your client. The clients usually appreciate it if you have like 1, 2, or 3 revisions for them. Like, hey, I have this design 1, design 2, and design 3. Like, really over deliver. And then you can ask them, what do you like? You can definitely ask them to choose what kind of design they think they fit or they want from the designs that you have for them. So by the way, before I forget, all these designs actually, so let's say for example, okay ka na dyan, no? Let's say just one. You can actually download this. And then the setting for the images here are PNG and JPEG. You can create a PDF file if you wanted to, or PDF standard, pero mostly for the images dito, you are giving your clients PNG and JPEG. You are not giving them the PSD file. The PSD is for the Photoshop, and we're not using Photoshop here. But you can definitely earn a lot of money just using Canva without any Photoshop knowledge. But just make sure that when you give it to your clients, you have to tell them upfront what kind of tool you are using them, what kind of image is that, what file is that. That's only PNG and JPEG, okay? Kasi baka your clients would be asking you for a PSD file. You can't give them the PSD file, just the JPEG and the PNG. Okay, so once you're done, once you're happy with that, you can go ahead and click on download, and it will download now. And there you go. Ta-da! You can send this to your client already. Okay? Ganun lang siya kadali. Now, of course, you need to practice. You can make a way better ebook than I did here. But that's the gist of what I'm gonna show you for that. Now let us go to Fiverr. I want you to see something. Let me go back to my presentation. I want you to know how amazing this simple tool that we did. And then we are going to see a live example. Actually, I have a couple here of freelancers who are killing it in Fiverr. And I want you to do the same. I want you to really embrace and earn the same amount of money that these people have. By the way, these are real freelancers, okay? If you do not believe me, let's go ahead and check Fiverr right now. This person, ito nga pala, so this is Fiverr. This is one of the marketplaces that you can find clients and promote your services. Okay, so you can see here, you can have graphic design, you have digital marketing, you can have writing, video and animation, music, audio, programming, tech, business, you name it. Okay, so just hover them and think, ano ba yung sa palagay mong may offer mo? What can you offer to your clients? This specific video we are doing the designs masterclass. So we are focusing here mostly on graphics and design. Later on, we can teach you design, digital marketing, writing as well. But the main focus of this video is more of here. So here you go. You can create logo designs. You can create website design for them. Look at this one, presentation editing, um, t-shirts, tattoo designs, you name it. Flyer, brochure, poster, catalog, see that? And now we are going to find ebook cover. Yan. So there are a lot of, these are the freelancers that are here. So this is the example that I am about to give you. Let's go ahead and visit her account. So this one, she said she will be creating an eye-catching ebook or Kindle cover with bonus. Same thing that we did a while ago. Do you think you can do what she did? Right? Do you think you can do what she's doing right now? And look, this one, she has 39,028 reviews or feedback. Remember what I told you a while ago in the previous cover that the clients can give you um, feedback or review after you provide your service to them. Imagine that, 39,000 people. And you know what? The cool thing about this is hindi lahat ng clients are leaving feedback. Not every client can leave you feedback. Probably one third. One third, one out of three clients will be leaving you feedback. It's not 100%. Me as a client, sometimes I forget to also leave feedback because syempre when you're in hurry or excited, like you already have the product and you're excited to use it, sometimes you forget to leave feedback. Something like that. It happens to a lot of people, and sometimes people are not really used to leaving feedback anyway. So it's not, imagine this, if this person has about 39,000 reviews, 39,000 clients, do you think you can do that as well? This is a live account, guys. It is extremely possible for you to get this. And get this, so let's go ahead and compute something. At the time that I did this module or design, so ginawa ko siyang example, no? Look at this one. I only said 38,000 dito. 38,927. But as of this moment, she already got 39,000 reviews. And look, there are 35 orders in queue. Ibig sabihin, there are 35 pending orders that she need to do. If you get to establish yourself as a very good freelancer, people will be coming back to get your offer. And look, do you think that these 35 people orders in queue chose her because of the absolutely outstanding feedback that she has? Yes, definitely. If I am the client, I will go ahead and find someone like that because I am close to sure that this person will definitely deliver. Okay? So now that you are starting, that's okay. You can start with one, two, three, four, five feedback, right? And then you will go from there. These 39,000 people who have left her reviews started from one, two, three, and then 10 feedback, and then 20 feedback, right? So you might say, CJ, coach, napakarami na niyan eh, di ba? Don't worry, hindi naman lahat sila, siya talaga yung hinire, di ba? There are so many freelancers, so many people. Remember, come from the place of abundance. You will have your own clients. This person lang kasi, matagal na siya, di ba? Well, we should have started years ago with this, but now that since you are starting just now, and that's totally okay. Start with 10 people, start with 20 feedback, and then you go from there. Okay? So look at her work. Let's go ahead and check her designs. What do you think? Ito yung mga recent 2D covers nga. Ito yung mga ebook. You think you can do this in Canva? Definitely. Definitely. So what I want you to do is um, check this page, check the other freelancers page. Meron silang mga tinatawag na portfolio. These are called portfolio. Let's go on full screen. So these are some of her work. Do you think you can create something like this? If your answer is yes, then go for it. Look, ang simple lang oh. Etong mga ganitong images, these are also from Canva. Yung mga ganyan. Mm. Look at that one. Look. These these images can be found in Canva. So Florida. Let's say for example, Florida elements. Okay. So for example, let's see kung may lalabas ah. Oh, look. 'Di ba? Ganun lang kadali. Nakakita tayo ng very nice image coming from Florida. Oh. So what you can do is, let's say Florida 55, no? Sana. Change color, change the font, pick 3 lottery. If I can spell. You get the idea. Ang ganda pa nga nito, oh. Mas ano siya, mas stand out pa nga yung kulay nito eh. AA New York. Okay? These are some of her work. Do you think you can replicate something like this? Definitely. Definitely. Look how simple that is. And guess what? Here's the crazy part. We are going to compute how much this person earns now as a freelancer. Okay? So, gamitin na natin yung pinaka-updated niya. 39,028. So there are different kinds of charges that she has. So the basic is you will be getting one design concept source file ganyan for 540 pesos. Her standard is 1,079 and her premium which she will get all these is about 2,158. Okay? Now piliin natin yung standard, yung nasa middle. So sabi niya she has 39,028. Like I told you, one-third lang yung nag-leave ng feedback. So definitely, her clients are way, way um, higher than 39,000. So let's just say 39,028 times, let's say 3, di ba? 1 out of 3. So in total, she has about 117,000 orders. Let's assume that the standard package is 1,000 pesos. 1,079 pesos. How much is that? That is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Kung hindi tayo nalilito sa kama, 126 million pesos. I am not kidding you guys. 126 million 333,636 by just doing an ebook cover design. Let that sink in for a moment. Okay, sige, wag na yung wag na yung complete na 1 out of 3. Coach, baka naman hindi ganun kadami talaga yung client niya. Okay, eto na lang. Itong 39 na lang. Okay? 39,000 na clients, na orders, times 1,079. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That is 42 million pesos. 42 million. 111,212. Correct? Am I correct with my math? Ulitin natin ha. 39,028. Baka naman mali si coach. That is in pesos. 42 million. You are a millionaire. Multi-millionaire by just doing an ebook or a Kindle cover. When I look at this number, I said, wow, dapat pala noon ko pag ginawa to. Diba? And that's just one freelancer that we are talking about. I just want to pause there. And she has 35 orders in queue right now. So let's say for example, itong 35 orders, pag natapos niya yung 35 orders na yan, and then she has the standard package of, usually kasi mga standard ang kinukuha. Yung basic kasi parang ano lang yun parang it's just a very simple design. Pero usually, clients do get the standard or the premium para kuha nila lahat ng package. So 35 orders times 1,079. That's 37,000 pesos. 37,765 for doing the 35 orders. And nakita mo how easy it is to create an ebook cover. I did it with you for like only about 5 minutes. Right? Mabagal pa yun kasi I'm talking while I am doing it. But do you get the point? Do you get what I am going at? You don't need to become a super perfect, like super duper galing na designer with Photoshop skills and all that. You can do it in Fiverr. Look at that one. How amazing that is. I hope you are getting the power, the freedom that this gig is offering you. See? I actually made a computation here before, pero this is not updated pala kasi 39,000 na yung reviews niya. Right? 126 million pesos for that alone. Do you think you can make an income here? Definitely. How much is the standard earning right now of a Filipino? Let's say for example, it's you're earning 20,000 pesos. You're earning 20,000 pesos for a full-time job, for an 8-hour job, plus commute, and OT pa. It's a very fixed rate of 20,000 pesos. If you can do this, if you can practice right now and replicate everything that she's done, do you think you can replace the 20,000 peso monthly? Baka nga sobra pa di ba? Now, that is a very nice freelancer that we saw there, right? So that's the conservative, 21,000. Imagine that you get, ito pa yung basic. Ito yung sa mga kinumpute ko. Pagpalagay mo na yung basic, kunin natin yung ano niya ngayon, yung basic niya. Ipagpalagay mo na yung basic. Let's say walang kumuha ng standard, okay? Doon na tayo sa pinaka-conservative na 39,028. Dito tayo sa sure na nag-feedback. Kasi sure to na mga clients niya Sure na orders to kasi feedback na yan Right? Like I said, it could be really more than that because not all people are leaving feedback. Pero pagpalagay na natin, kunin natin yung pinaka-conservative. 39,000 plus 540 pesos. How much is that still? Right? It's still 21 million. 21 million pesos. How many things can you buy in 21 million? Right? If you will just start now. Of course, she has an advantage because she started way longer na sa Fiverr and she started way like many years. Pero the thing is, when are you gonna start? You have to start now. You can do this. Right? Now, let's look at the other freelancers. Look at her price It's very cheap lang. It's 540. The others are starting at 21,573. This is so much more that this person is charging. Let's look at this. So this person has 2 orders in queue, 98 people, look up, basic yan ha, basic is 21,000, the standard is 32,000, and the premium is 43,000 pesos by just doing that. So let's go ahead and compute. Mahilig ako mag-compute ng mga earnings ng mga tao. So let's just assume 98 yung feedback niya. 98, kunin natin yung basic, which is 21,000. So this person has earned 2,114,154. Diba? Diba? I want to emphasize that with you. Now, you go ahead and look around. Ito, meron siyang 981 na feedback starting at 540 pesos. There are people charging 3,582 feedback. This one has more than, look, 2,000 orders. And these are consistent ha. Napansin mo ba guys? There are 10 orders in queue. Meaning to say may bumibili, may naghahanap nung ganitong service at this moment, 2022. Right? 10 orders in queue by just one person. Remember, I told you, you don't need a lot of clients. Let's take, for example, that 2,141. So, let's say meron siyang one-third niyan. Let's assume that this person got 6,000 clients. 6,000 clients times 1,079 for the basic. Ay, ano nangyari? 2,141 times 3 times 1,079. 6,930,417. Look at the design. Do you think you can do something like this? Do you think it's worthy na mag-practice ka? You take some time of your life, like maybe 1 hour or 2 hours a day, practice doing this in Canva. Or if you want to level up, go ahead and study Photoshop. You enroll in Udemy and other courses. I think there are so many. Or YouTube tutorial. There are so many free YouTube tutorials ng Photoshop. If you think that this industry is worthy, and I've showed you guys, I'm not lying to you. These are random freelancers that you can see in Fiverr. Go ahead and log into Fiverr yourself. Go ahead and create an account in Fiverr and look at these people. These people are freelancers all over the world. I am not lying to you. Take a look at it yourself. And these feedback, they are real. Kasi these are marketplaces. Ibig sabihin, these are controlled and um, maintained by the marketplaces. Ibig sabihin, these feedbacks do not lie to you. These are real-time happening. Do you understand what I'm trying to get at? What I want you to do now, if you are inspired and if you think you can do this, and like, okay, coach, let's do this. Let's get these real money. I want you to practice going to Canva and learn this stuff for yourself. Okay? Look at that, oh. You can definitely do this. Eto pa, meron pa akong nakita nung nakaraan. I'll try to find this person too. So this person has, give or take, 9,690 clients. Ang standard niya ay, yung iba kasi 500, di ba? Yung una nating nakita, 500 yung charge niya. But there are people who are charging way so much more than that. The standard is 12,000. 960 yung yung ebook cover. A whooping 117 million pesos. That's how crazy that is. Look at this one. There are people who are doing a basic social media package of 37,000. And the full media social package, anong ginagawa nito? Ito yung the entire package for the marketing of the brand of the company. 75,100 at the comfort of your own home without asking for sick leave or vacation leave because you're on your own. You're doing the project on your own. right? All you need to do is just plug and play. Use Canva, use Unsplash or Pexelbay and other um, royalty-free image and apply. Apply for work, apply for clients. Does this make sense now? Ayan, so we already did this. We created an ebook cover just a while ago. Now, aside from that one, what you can do is this. You can also do it with DIYcovers.com. I'm just gonna show you the website. So after you have created um, an ebook, what you will do para maging presentable siya dun sa clients. How do I exit you? I don't like that. Ano nangyari? I'm gonna show you something. Hmm. Okay, fine. Tatanggalin ko lang yung ano ha. Bakit may upsell? Sorry guys. I just wanted to show you how you can use this DIY. You can go to the mockup or 3D mockups. Yan, o yan. Yan. Okay. So here, you can use the following mockups para malinis um, yung presentation mo over the client. So you click any of this. This one is the one I clicked as a sample. And then you can upload. And then it will look like, while it's uploading, it will look like a 3D mock-up of a book. Mukha siyang libro para mas convincing siya dun sa client. So it will really stand out for you. I don't know why it's not working while I am recording. Okay, in-upload ko na. Ayan. Okay. Tadaan! You see that? Ang ganda, di ba? So you present this to the client that I can make you an ebook cover like this. Okay? So what you're going to do now is practice. And then, napansin mo ba yung ano, yung kanina, ato, like for example, this one, she has a collage of designs. So I want you to create several designs that you will recreate. Sample lang yun sample. And then you can find inspiration from Amazon Kindle. Don't copy the author itself or the title itself, parang change a little bit. And then you create a sample work or portfolio that you can use in Fiverr. Does it make sense, guys? So again, wag 100% copy. Just choose like a little bit inspiration. Get an inspiration. Ito pa yung placeit.net. This is what I'm also using for mock-up of books. But this one has a pricing kasi. Ito may bayad. I paid for this one book. I'm sorry. Yan. So what you can do is upload your image and magiging ganyan siya. Yan. So, para siyang mock-up. So that your clients can have an idea like, oh, this is how it looks like when it's becoming a book. Ganyan. Okay? So, you can use that. But this one kasi, you can pay um, like that. Once you download it, you can pay it. Ako kasi naka-premium ako dito kasi I always use this. Because we're also printing t-shirts, ganyan. Yan. So once you're decided, you can use this. Yan. Ang daming mga mock-ups. Ang tawag dito guys are mock-ups. Or you can use this one, yung DIY covers. Ito yung free naman. Napansin nyo kanina, di ba? I was able to download it for free na. Yan. So use that instead. Okay? So, what do we have next? Yan. So, what I want you to do is go to Fiverr. So, ito yung link where you can create your own account. Join Fiverr.com. You start looking around the way we did today and then see what others are doing in their accounts. So, like I said, you go ahead and practice, do your own portfolios. I don't care if it's really, you think it's so bad right now, like, ang pangit ng gawa ko, coach. Everybody starts from ugly and then it gets better and better and better as you do it. Remember, those, I want you to make that inspiration, those people who are killing it in Fiverr, you can be that one. You can be that person. And look at their work, diba? I'm not saying it's super ganda, but that is something doable that you can do in Canva. And Canva is a free tool. Nakita nyo, drag and drop, diba? Now, if you really want to make an effort, so much effort to this one, like karirin mo talaga, then go ahead and learn Photoshop. Right? Yan. Sabi ni Tony Robbins, the fastest way to be successful is to find someone who is already successful, model what they do, and you will achieve the same result. I am not asking you to copy them word per word, color by color, or design by design. Just choose that because these people are living testimony that this is working. So what I would like you to do is model that person, what she's doing, and then you do as authentic as you can and create that. Okay? Create your own. There are so many designs that you can make and so many gigs that are waiting for you. You can find clients on Fiverr. You can actually create your own Facebook page and sell it there. Okay, later on we will be discussing how you can market yourself as a freelancer and how you can market your gigs. That's for a separate video because we are running 1 hour already. But we have a follow up on this one. Another example that I'd like you to choose, I'd like to give you is this one naman. Facebook cover photo naman to. Kanina ebook, 'di ba? We look at something about ebook. Now this person has a whooping 6,885 feedback. So you know the drill. I usually compute talaga kung magkano yung kinikita ng mga freelancers na to. So remember, she has 6,885. Tapos, ang isang cover photo, you're familiar with cover photo, right? The Facebook cover photo, the one that we put in our Facebook account. You know that can be a business. And these are some of the things that she's doing. Okay? So, ang isang cover photo design niya worth 4,000 pesos. So, let's go ahead and do the math. If we estimate her total orders, 6,885 times 3, kasi 1 out of 3 leaves feedback. So, probably, ang cover photo na nagawa niya in total is 20,000. Times 4,000 yung charge niya, kada cover photo. That's a whooping 83 million. Now, let's take it with a conservative computation. Let's just use the 688.85 na orders niya na with reviews. Guaranteed kasi yon kasi mga reviews na yon times 4,000. That's 27 million pesos in just 1 gig. Alam nyo kung ano lang yung ginagawa niya? Gumagawa lang siya ng Facebook cover. Look how amazing that is. So, tingin tayo ng mga Facebook cover photo. Ayan, yan siya. So, yung iba, mas mura. 540 pesos. Meron siyang 1,500. Look, 6 orders in queue. 6 orders in queue. Ang standard niya is 1,300. Merong meron siyang three covers, three headers. Yan, ito yung mga revisions. So, you can use unlimited revision, matching profile, source file. Okay, yung source file, this is mostly PSD. Yan. See? You can charge 500 pesos muna just to begin with. May charge low muna as you build your portfolio. You can definitely do that. See, let's see their designs. These are done in Canva as well. This is simple nga lang, oh. O, punta tayo ng Canva, ha. Facebook cover. Business cover photos. Parang similar to dun sa ano, nakita natin kanina. Do you think you can do something like that? People charge 500 pesos for this, 1,000. All you have to do is just edit something here and then you can give it to them. So there are people who will be offering you ito unlimited revision. When they say unlimited revision, kahit na ilang beses mong paulitin yan, free of charge. Ganun. That makes them stand out. Unlimited revisions. Well, you can do three revisions kung talagang magaling ka or you're very confident with your work. Siguro mga tatlo, dalawang revision, okay na. So play around with this. 335. Look, may mga nagsisimula, 35 pa lang yung reviews niya. Ito meron siyang 1,000. Pagka meron kang ganito, Fiverr's choice, tapos ganyan yung reviews mo, there is a high probability that your clients will choose you. Look at that one. Parang you are recommended by Fiverr. Fiverr's choice. See? Meron siyang 4 orders in queue. Right? So what you're going to do as well is pansinin nyo rin how they create their description. So model someone like this, for example, you can give them what you do offer, sell to the client what you can do for them. Like this, for example, a standard gig, ano yung standard or yung basic? It includes mobile ready Facebook page or cover photo or Twitter headline or header, LinkedIn background, yan. So please go ahead and check out Fiverr, check all these amazing freelancers, and then check how they position themselves. Ayan. So, for example, are you seeking a professional and attractive Facebook cover and ad photo design? Well, look no further. Hi, I'm Taylor, blah, 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 blah. Okay, to begin with, ayan. So, you model someone. You create your own. Okay? So, hanap ka rito ng mga magagandang description and then you model from there. Tapos, gawa ka ng mga portfolios mo and then you can create something on your own. Does it make sense? Are you learning something, guys? Yan. And the opportunities are endless here. So for example, this one, aside from you doing the premium cover photo, you can create something for Twitter. That's a different charge. So pwede kang halimbawa, I will create you a Facebook cover photo and I can also make you a banner for YouTube. If you decide na merong YouTube banner, that's additional 1,000 pesos. If you create something on Instagram, that's additional 500. You know what I mean? The more um, products that you sold for this client, the more you charge them. So I hope that you learned something here. Minsan I spend a lot of time here also bumababad lang ako and then just checking them out. So what your homework with me for today is create a Fiverr account. Okay? Create a Fiverr account tapos create a gig. Later on, we will talk about. I'm gonna have a second masterclass with you, a continuation of this one, and then what I would ask you to do is create a portfolio like that. How do you create portfolio like that? It's in Canva pa rin. Um, Kalang marami tayong nakabukas na tab. So let's say for example, let's go back to, oops, create a design, collage. You create a photo collage. Okay. And then what you can do is do like this. Stack mo yung mga um, ebook covers na ginawa mo. Okay, so for the purpose just to save time, for example lang, no? So let's say kumuha ka niyan, kunin natin to, download natin. Halimbawa lang. Let's download this. Tapos download din natin to. Download them and then re-upload them. Kasi ano pa lang to, 'di ba? File pa lang to. Ganyan. Tapos upload mo ulit sila. And then you can stack them like this. Pero wag yung cover photo na nakita mo sa Canva. You have to create your own. Siyempre, gawa ka ng sarili mo. Tapos, create mo ganyan. And then, put a text. Let's say, starting $5. Kaya siya Fiverr, kasi Fiverr. Starting, mostly starts at $5. Yung sa akin kasi guys, kung napansin nyo, naka-ano siya, naka-auto siya sa, naka-default siya sa peso. Kasi client din ako sa Fiverr. I hire people from Fiverr. Tapos parang hindi na ako magko-compute ng USD to peso. Ginawa ko siya, yung conversion niya sa settings ng Fiverr ko. Nakaset na peso siya. So, alam ko, at just by looking at it, like how much I can pay this freelancer to get me something. Ganyan. Usually, pero pag sa iba yan, syempre, kapag ka nasa US, dollars yung sign. So, you do $5. O kaya, ayan, ganyan. Yan. And then, as many as you can. Tapos, gawa ka pa ng isa pa, gawa ka ng isa pang page, gawa ka pa ng isa pang ebook design, ganyan. So that our goal is to get something like this. Ganyan. Tapos, lagyan mo siguro ng watermark ng konti or ng logo mo. Okay? Do that. Tapos, aside from that, later on, we will create a gig. So, ganyan, hanap ka niyan about this gig, tapos gawin mo ng mga bullet form. Okay? So, that is your homework for me on this video. I'm gonna close this tutorial now. I will see you on the Designs Masterclass Advanced, where we will be talking about Canva pa rin and other stuff, and we will create a gig in Fiverr so that you have no excuse whatsoever like this is hard or I can't do this, coach. I will show you step by step on how you can create a gig on Fiverr. Okay, so I hope you learned something. I hope I inspired you to take action, and I hope I inspired you that, man, these are real people with real money, with real gig, and they are not special people. These people are common people like you and me. The only thing that separates you from them is that nauna lang sila. Like they say, the best way to start and plant a tree was yesterday. The second best is today. Like your success, the best way to really create something for your business was yesterday. But then, since you weren't able to do that and we kind of missed that opportunity already, what is presented to you right now, grab it. Okay, probably this is your season, this is your time, and don't worry because there's so many clients out there. When you have a great portfolio, when you have an amazing design, an irresistible offer, which we will be discussing in a separate video, I highly doubt na mamabakante ka. You will always be busy. You will always be designing, and looking for clients. Okay, so these are very simple tools that I gave you. Like I said, these are free. If you wanted to get a pro Canva, I highly recommend that too, and it's part of your business. Think of it as parang nagrerenta ka ng ano, kasama siya sa rent mo or overhead mo, 'di ba? When the traditional businesses, they have like Meralco, they have rent, office rent and all that stuff. Canva Pro is something that you can definitely find if you want to partner with people looking for Canva Pro na mas makakatipid, like for 5 people you get this. Go ahead and post in our community. You can post in our community. You can ping me like, coach, naghahanap ako ng ganito, let's post something. I'm all for that, and you guys have one pro account that will use for 1 year. Okay? Huwag mong panghinayangan yan kasi kung ang kapalit nito ay mga magagandang tools naman, that will make you return. There's so many ROI, return on investment on this. How much is 200 pesos a month, right? So I want you to think in abundance. I want you to think, shift your mindset in such a way that we find opportunities around us, we find wealth, we find growth, we find money. Okay, and I will see you on the next video. Okay, I hope you learned something. Do your homework, go to Fiverr, create a Fiverr account, and redo some ebook. I'd love to see your work. Post it in our community. I want to see all the homework for this design masterclass. Okay, and then later on we will see them as a group, as a community. Let's check, is this a good design? What do you think of this design? What do you think, is this something that can be improved, or it's a good job, outstanding ebook cover? Okay, so it doesn't matter. Even if you feel that you have created something ugly, that can be improved. Remember, success is a learnable skill. Okay, so I will see you on the next video.